Let's gather around and hear about what's cooking for our elementary students this week at Edinburgh CISD. On Monday for breakfast, we'll have an oatmeal chocolate chip cereal bar, fruit, juice, or milk, and for lunch, we'll have a Salisbury steak with gravy, a dinner roll, mashed potatoes, California blend veggies, fruit, and milk. On Tuesday for breakfast, we'll have a morning sausage roll, fruit, and milk. And for lunch, we'll have chicken tenders with a Dutch waffle, broccoli florets, orange glazed carrots, fruit, and milk. On Wednesday for breakfast, we'll have a blueberry muffin, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch, we'll have a hamburger, cheeseburger or fish burger, burger salad, potato crinkle cut fries, fruit, and milk. On Thursday for breakfast, we'll have a pancake with a sausage patty, fruit, and milk. And for lunch, we'll have cheese enchiladas with meat sauce, Spanish rice, seasoned pinto beans, lettuce and tomato salad, fruit, and milk. Thanks for tuning in to the weekly elementary food menu. Want to stay updated with what's cooking for our Edinburgh CISD elementary food menus? Then follow us on all of our social media platforms at Edinburgh CISD.